Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Finch Offline. Finch is a self-care and mental wellness app designed to help users build healthy habits through daily goals, reflection and encouragement from a virtual pet. While Finch works best with an internet connection, many of its core features can still be used offline, allowing you to continue your self-care routine anytime and anywhere. And in this guide you will learn what you can do and what you cannot do in the Finch while offline and how to use the app without an internet connection. Finch can be used offline but with limited functionality. When you are offline, Finch stores your activity locally and syncs it once you reconnect to your internet. And what you can do in Finch is once you open to your Finch, you can view your Finch pet and home, complete your daily goals, write reflection or journal entries, do breathing exercise and self-care activities, send your Finch on adventure, earn energy and rewards, and all of this action will be saved on your device until you go online again. And some requires internet connection and won't work offline, including your good vibes, managing friends, syncing process across devices, updates and content loading. And that is it. This is how you can use your Finch offline. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like and share, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.